Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris, and if you're new here, welcome. I do videos on luxury items like handbags and shoes, etc. And if you're interested in that kind of thing, I do hope that you would consider subscribing. Okay, so my video today is going to be a little unboxing. I bought something from The RealReal. It's just a quick little unboxing. So if you're familiar with The RealReal, you know that they sell pre-owned luxury items. And this is what I have for you today. I have already cut it open because if there's anything dangerous, it would be me trying to use a knife on camera, so I cut it open already. But I have not looked inside. I'm excited because I have been looking for something like this for quite a while. So as you can see with The RealReal, okay, so they have it packed with some of this bubble paper, this air paper. And then you got your receipt inside. So here is my receipt. It says, don't buy much, but be sure what you buy is good. I agree with that. That is a quote from Christian Dior. So that's my receipt. And then they just packed this with some air paper. And as you can see right here, these are some Louboutin shoes. So those of you who have watched my channel before know that I am absolutely obsessed with shoes. Probably even more so than handbags. And I have been looking for a pair of shoes like these for a while. I had considered buying some new, but again, they're hard to find. And I did spot these on The RealReal, and I was really excited because they were exactly what I was looking for, and the price was right. So I went ahead and bought them. So they are the Pigalle 85 in patent in black. The 85 is the 3.5-inch heel. And that is perfect for me. I'm on my feet all day, and I really love 4-inch heels, but I cannot stand and walk in them all day. They're just too painful. So anything about 3.5 inches or lower is just perfect for me. So I wanted the lower heel, but they are harder to find. And especially if you're shopping in the pre-owned market, you know that you can find the Socates that are 4 inches or 4¼ inches, which are beautiful, but they're just not practical for me. So when I saw these, I grabbed them. Like literally, I didn't even hesitate. I just went for it. They are size 37.5, so that's a half size larger than I usually take. But I thought about it. Now I have 3 other pairs of Louboutins, and they're all 37s. And honestly, they do pinch just a tiny bit by the end of the day. So with these, I figured that I was going to go up a half size, and then I could put, if it's a little bit loose, I could put one of those gel pads in the toe area, which would make it more comfortable and it would make it fit better, and it will stay on my foot. So I'm hoping that's what's going to happen. All right. So obviously this is in very good condition. I got the box. Ooh, I even have the dust bags. Exciting. Okay, and it looks like they're really in great shape. Oh yes, they are. They're in fabulous shape. Okay, so you can see the 3.5-inch heel. The bottom has been resoled with this red sole here that is rubberized, and whenever I see that, I am just so excited about it, because if there's anything I can't stand is when I have the Louboutins and they start to wear and the red starts to rub away. So usually I go and I purchase the little red sole covers and put them on so that I can protect my soles and also make them a little less slippery. So I saw when I was buying these that these already have the sole colors on them, so I'm really excited about that. And the red part right here is in perfect condition, and I'm sure that says that if you remove this tag, you cannot return them. But I looked them over on the website. They do not have any nicks at all on the heel, which is something that I really look for. I won't buy any shoes that have nicks on the heel. That's just a pet peeve of mine. I can't stand it when they have that nick on them, and you know when it happens. You know you're walking down the street and you accidentally put your heel through the little crack in the sidewalk, and the next thing you know, you have a big nick in your heel. So that is something I really look for, and I won't buy a shoe with that. But these look to be in excellent condition. They're black patent leather, which was another thing that I really wanted, because I feel like black patent leather goes with everything, looks very dressy, and they also don't wear as quickly as the black leather does. So I've been looking for a really basic pair of black shoes to replace a pair that I've had for a very long time. I have this beautiful pair of Tory Burch shoes, and I've covered them in my shoe collection video. They're gorgeous. At the time that I bought them, they were, the height of style. They've aged a little bit, so the heel's a little bit different than this one right here, and they do have a big ornament on the front, which is slightly dated. But overall, they have been an excellent shoe, and I really like them, but they're starting to look a little worn and a little tired. So I thought it was time to replace them. I wanted a Louboutin, however, like I said, very hard to get the lower heel. I think because most people, when they have the lower heel, they just hold on to them because they're that much more comfortable. So these look to be in excellent condition. So I have the 2 dust bags, and we'll check out the other one here. That was the right shoe. Ooh, these are nicely packaged. So it looks like somebody really took care of them. Yay, I'm excited. All right, I'll get all the tissue paper off, and there's the other one. Once again, we have the resoling right there, and I'm just inspecting it. It was listed in very good condition, and yes, they are in very, very good condition. So I'm really excited about this. So I don't really anticipate that the 7.5 is going to give me any troubles. Like I said, what I typically would do is put a ball of the foot insole down here at the bottom, which would take up a little bit extra room, and that way I will be able to walk in them easily. Oh, they look great. They're in really good shape. So somebody took care of them. They have them resoled. This part right here has no nicks or any sort of marks on them. The heels are in excellent shape. The taps on the heels look to be in really good shape, and I think I have some extra taps in here too. Yes, I do. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is practically like a brand new pair of shoes, except I paid like half the price. So you can't beat that. I'm kind of a bargain shopper, I have to admit it. Yeah, so these are the extra taps right here. So it came with everything. It came with the dust bags. It came with the tissue paper. It came with the extra taps. I even have the little authenticity card right here. Very nice. And it came with the box too. So I'm super excited about these. I anticipate that I'm going to be able to wear these with everything, and they're going to be a good staple in my wardrobe. So what I will do is try to do a couple little model shots for you here and include them in the video as well. But that is my little quick unboxing from The Real Real, one of my favorite companies to shop from, because I think you can get excellent items for really great prices. So that's it for shoes. If you love shoes, you should follow me, because I'm always buying shoes. I don't think I can go a month without buying shoes. I just love them. Like, I like bags. I really, really like bags, but I buy a lot more shoes than I do bags. I have to admit that. Anyway, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care.